Hi guys, Oyin here. As most of you know already, Anker's #1 fan. I just want to thank you for being interested in my gadget basket and for following my page at Oyin Gadget Basket. So yeah, set before me here is one hell of a gadget, a poetic piece of new generation technology, a security camera from the stable of Anker, made by their sister brand eufy. eufy does smart home appliances to sort of elevate what it means to, live in a house and to be part of a home. So here is the eufyCam 2C Pro, which I purchased recently, in addition to my Anker collection, which I'm very proud of. This is a 2K resolution hard-on camera, wire-free, and can last for 180 days. That is 6 months on a single charge of about 5 hours. It can detect humans. It has free and secure local storage and works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and your HomeKit. And also, you don't have to pay any cost whatsoever for storage on a monthly basis. Here you also have other interesting features that comes with the app: live view and recording history, instant notification when humans are detected, multi-user access, and activity zone detection to reduce false notifications. And it has advanced AI, human detection capabilities, and two-way audio. There is also the app you can download on Play Store to monitor your camera. Here you have 100% wire-free quality, so no wires, no monitors, no computers. It can see clearly at night with color mode night vision, and it's weatherproof, completely weatherproof, IP67. Here in the box you have the camera, the charging cable, the screw mounts, the mounting screws, and the manual, and the warning sticker. Okay. And here on the side, what do we have? A word, sort of like an assurance on privacy compliance. Your data is fully protected with military-grade encryption, transmitted to you and you alone. Okay, here you have the authentication code, just to confirm that you've bought an original Anker product, and further word on privacy compliance. So yeah, let's move on to what's inside. Okay, this is quite a compact package, as is, of course, usual and typical of Anker product. Minimalist, easy to use, easy to operate, highly innovative tech pieces. Okay, so we'll move on to unveil the bride, in a manner of speaking, of course. Okay, yeah. So we have a compartment up here. I don't know what's inside. Maybe it's the owner's manual. We'll get to that in a bit. But there you have the camera, I'm sure. Okay, yeah, that's it. Pretty petite, if you ask me. Not too conspicuous, but sleek. Packs a lot. You can see a lot of dots around. Yeah, you have the name of the sister brand, eufy Security, and then yeah, about that. There's a film above the camera lens there, so I guess I'll just have to remove this film to see what's beneath. Okay, so you have your camera lens, your light sensor, your microphone, and in the middle the spotlight for night vision, color mode, and infrared, and then your motion sensor. And beneath here, okay, here you have the synchronization button, which is to switch the camera on and off. So I'll just yank this off so we get a clearer view of this. Okay, I want to believe this is the charging port. And like I said, yeah, I'm correct. And like I said, just 5 hours of a single charge will give you 6 months. And that's the speaker for the microphone, in case you want to interact with whoever your camera is facing. This hole at the back is the mounting hole, I guess. And the other parts are right there beneath the cable. Yeah, impressive. Here you have the charging cable, very thick. And yes, there you have the mounting screws, so you don't have to call anybody to help you install. It's just do it yourself. Here you have the mounting guard. I guess all you have to do is screw into the mounting hole and then place it on whatever wall in your house, outdoors or indoors, you want to mount the camera on, and you are good to go. Great. I have all of this, and okay, here we have something. Let me open it. Let's see what's inside. I'm very sure it's the manual. And okay, there's even more. What's this? You have the camera mounting screw positioning card. Okay, something to help you mount the camera better. Yeah, so you have just placed it on the wall and then drill and mount the screws. Here you have support contacts, customer care, and then more word on privacy, data protection, no monthly subscription, military grade encryption, cloud storage, just all the way from your application, the eufyCam camera application on Play Store, and the camera itself, and you've got your house covered. And here you have a sticker to let visitors know that your property is monitored by eufySecurity. Interesting. Well, isn't this interesting? Okay. And last but not the least is the quick start guide for the HD camera, security camera. Yeah, you have everything you need from mounting the camera to, how to operate the application itself. Yeah, so there you have it. The Anker eufy HD resolution security camera. No hassles with installation. All you need to do is just screw these two parts together and mount the other parts on the wall wherever you want covered within your house. Now the range of this camera is impressive. The area of coverage covers around 30 feet. That 30 feet is a lot of area to cover. And the good thing is that you can customize the camera lens to pick specific zones, activity zones where you want human detection triggered. So you don't have to, get false notifications all the time. This camera only identifies humans, not animals, not cats. So you can be sure that once you get a notification on your application, it's a human that your camera has seen. So that's great. I love Anker for the fact that they offer so much more for less. I got this beautiful camera piece for less than 45,000 naira. And I don't have to get a computer. I don't have to, call an expert to help me install. All I just need is my application and this right here. Thank you very much for unboxing this with me. Up next, you'll know soon.